Hello everyone, welcome to the podcast with Subbani. Today I am here to tell you about yoga and its physical and mental health benefits. Yoga is not a religion, it is a way of living that aims towards a healthy mind in a healthy body. A man is a physical, mental, and spiritual being. Yoga helps promote a balanced development of all three. There are so many different kinds of yoga practices. It is possible for anyone to start, whether you are a couch potato or a professional athlete. Size and fitness levels do not matter because there are modifications for every yoga pose and beginner classes in every style. Practicing yoga emphasizes the connection between our minds and our bodies, and it encourages you to use both at the same time. Yoga helps a person to be physically and mentally fit too. It improves your flexibility. Flexibility is the one of the first benefit of yoga. Well, during your first class, you will probably won't be able to touch your feet, but if you stick to it, you will notice a gradual loosening and eventually seemingly impossible poses will become possible. Yoga builds muscle strength. It perfects your posture, prevents cartilage and joint breakdown, protects your spine, increases your blood flow, and also ups your heart rate. This marriage of your mental state and your physical state offers a unique opportunity to make a powerful impact on your mental health. Yoga treatment is so strong that some therapists and doctors have begun to prescribe it as a complementary treatment on top of the medication. Sometimes it is even pursued as the only method of treatment. Yoga is a supplement to other types of treatments. Comes from a groundbreaking 2007 study of depressed patients who were taking antidepressants medications but were only in partial remission. The researchers observed that participants who engaged in regular yoga practice experienced significantly fewer symptoms of depression and anxiety. Some patients even achieved remission from their mental illness, and many participants reported better mood overall. Well, I do yoga on the regular basis. Hope you will also start it from today. Thank you for listening.